The concept of multi-level inheritance. The mechanism of deriving a class from another derived class is known as multi-level inheritance. The next program we are starting with multi-level inheritance. Under class student, see a new keyword we are using here. Instead of private, a protected keyword we are using, under which we are declaring one variable roll number. As we declare protected keyword means we can inherit the variables also to next section, as it was not possible while declaring as a private. Variables are not accessed in next part. Inside public section, we are just defining two functions, get number put number fine. This is a end of class. Now we are using a get number function, assigning a value of a to roll number. Then put number function defined. We are just displaying the roll number value which is accepted. Fine. Now we are creating a new class named test, derived from a student base class, inside which also we are creating two sections, protected first, float subject 1 and float subject 2. Fine. And public section, in which void get marks, two parameters argument we are passing here of data type float. Next function put marks, inside which we are just using a keyword void. Here the end of test class. We will use define those functions, float x, float y, subject 1 equals to x and subject 2 equal to y. We are just displaying the marks of subject. Fine. Now one more class we are creating here. In previous examples, two classes were created, one base class, one derived class. Now here multi-level inheritance concept we are just looking. So a new class creating here result, but derived from a base class, from a test class, derived class, which is the above class. The base class was a student. From a student, a test has been derived. From test a result has been derived. Fine. Hope you understood this example, how we are increasing the class stages. So this second one is a multi-level inheritance. We will continue float total inside this one variable. See, if you do not define the keyword private or protected, by default it will take as a private. Fine. The end of result class. Inside display function of class result, we are just writing a formula total equals to C subject 1 plus subject 2, the variables of test class we are using here as we declared as a protected, and through functions put number we are just displaying it, put number and put marks, and total with the help of C out. Fine. All the functions has been completed. Now we will start with main. See, directly we are using the last derived class, that is result, creating an object a student1. See the advantage you will find here. Now student1 dot get number. See, with that object we can access the base class properties. See 10. Same way student1 dot get marks properties. Suppose 75.0 comma 59.5. student1 dot display. We are creating the object with third derived class but accessing the properties of both the above one derived class and base class. Here we ends with the main program. We will just check it by pressing Ctrl F9. If any errors are there, press Ctrl F9. Total 6 errors found. We will just check it one by one. See, student scope get number integer declared outside its class. See, no need of semicolon actually here. Just remove it. Press Ctrl F9. 5 errors. Declaration terminated incorrectly. See, the spelling mistake is there. Just T instead of R. Just press Ctrl F9 and semicolon should be there. Fine, press Ctrl F9 one more. See, all the errors has been removed. So roll number 10. Fine, we have passed the value to get number, that is roll number. Marks are 75 and 59.5. The total is 134.5. Actually this can be possible without classes and objects also, but the advantage is instead of writing the code again and again for each and every software, we are just creating a class one time and accessing it multiple times. Means functions own function has been created and reused again and again. This is the reusability concept which is possible through inheritance part. So first we have seen the single inheritance. The next one was multi-level inheritance. In next video we will cover multiple